everybody. This is Mr. Taylor broadcasting from Main Street Middle School. First, I hope everyone is safe, healthy, and well. Today is Friday, October 16th, and just quickly, a rundown of today's events. We're going to continue with our PLP biography. The goal is for everybody to have a typed draft submitted to Google Classroom by the end of the day. We're also going to review with students the assignments that we've had over the past week. We're going to encourage them to check PowerSchool. And then we may or may not get to looking at our inbox and prioritizing our inbox to make sure that students are answering any pertinent and important emails. Today, during specials, it's flex time, so kids will have the opportunity to finish any assignments in foreign language and health. And then in the afternoon, we will wrap up the week by making sure we have things turned in and we're ready for next week. Thanks, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we will see you soon. Take care.